I'm Dr. Peter Han, and I'm a radiation oncologist in Optum. I always enjoyed science, but particularly I love the idea of studying medicine and becoming a healthcare professional. I attended SUNY Stony Brook Medical School. Stony Brook provided an incredible experience, incredible educational system, not to mention get a real exposure of what Long Island really has to offer. So as my knowledge and experience grew, I ultimately found my calling in radiation oncology. Basically, there are three options in treating cancer: surgery, chemotherapy, or radiation therapies. So depending upon your type of tumor, you may need one or actually a combination of these. Radiation can be utilized as a primary non-invasive treatment. So radiation therapy likely will sound very intimidating. As a radiation oncologist, I like to get to know the patient as well as can be. I like to review the various treatment options along with what they can expect during the treatment course. By having these expectations, with the understanding how to overcome some of these potential issues that may arise, will allow the patient to tolerate the treatment much better. Along with my nurse, my therapist, and my office personnel, ultimately we'll be developing a much closer relationship and bond that will also help facilitate the entire treatment process. As a radiation oncologist, typically the treatments are delivered in coordination with other subspecialties, which can include surgery and medical oncology. So depending upon the patient's type of tumor, one actually may need one or multiple treatment approaches. So having that team behind you to coordinate and to develop the treatment strategy that the patient needs is very crucial. And not only having that support, if any issues or challenges arise during the therapy, one can kind of rely back on the team itself to overcome that problem. So again, and part of Optum, having that multidisciplinary team is so crucial and paramount to really coming up with the optimal treatment course. I really like enjoying the great outdoors. Whenever I can, my wife and I, we love to go hiking, basically exploring new and even old places too. We do go and exercise whenever we can, but nothing beats traveling. We love to travel, we love to go abroad whenever possible. And photography is always an incredible way to kind of capture these moments. I'm Dr. Peter Han, and I'm a radiation oncologist in Optum.